Today we're going to talk about section 2.2. So in section 2.2 we are going to look at subsets. So in the last section we introduced the concept of sets, and then as we were doing that we talked about some key definitions and some different ways that we can write our sets. In this section we are going to break our larger sets into smaller, more manageable sets called subsets. So our first definition, set A is a subset of set B, symbolized with the A, and then we see it kind of looks like a weird looking C with a line underneath it. Right? So that is our symbol for our subset. So A is a subset of B if and only if all of the elements of A are also elements of B. If we draw a line through it, then that symbol is then used to indicate this is not a subset. The phrase if and only if means that the sentence can be read in either direction. So what that means is that we could read the sentence going one direction. If A is a subset of B, then all of the elements in A are also elements of set B. And then we can also read it the other way. If all of the elements of set A are also elements of set B, then A is a subset of B. So when we see this written out, we kind of think of it in order in the first way that we're looking at it, but then how we're going to determine whether or not something's a subset, we're going to use that second sentence. We're going to look at if all of the elements of set A are also elements of set B, then A is a subset of B. So that's how we're going to work through our problems and determine whether or not one set is a subset of something else. There is one little note down there at the bottom. The empty set is a subset of every set, including itself. So as we're thinking about these and as we're going through these, we will be seeing some problems where we might be dealing with the empty set and answering some questions about subsets for the empty set as well.